Hello baking lovers, today we are taking a delicious tour into the world of warm, fluffy cinnamon buns. A treat that's perfect for cozy mornings and sweet cravings. Hi, I am Chef Jyoti and this week on Chef Magic we are making cinnamon buns from scratch. Soft dough, buttery cinnamon filling and that melt in mouth icing. That's pure delight. Are you ready? Let's roll, bake and fill our kitchen with sweetest aroma. My Wonderchef app is connected to the Chef Magic. Go to Cloud Recipes, click New Recipe tab and here's the recipe cinnamon bun. Here's the description and the ingredients. Let's start cooking. We have to attach the kneading blade. Add around 90 grams of milk and unsalted butter which is in room temperature and let it whisk. After the milk is warm up a little, I'll add yeast. After yeast is properly bloomed, I'll add the mixture of salt, sugar and flour. Half whisked egg and half I'll keep it for later and let it knead. जब तक ये डो नीड हो रहा है तब तक मैं इसकी फिलिंग बना लूंगी. For that I'll require brown sugar, softened butter and cinnamon powder. After the dough is dressed properly, now I'll remove this in a silicone mat. Press it down softly. Roll this. Now apply butter and cinnamon mix. Roll it perfectly into a log. After rolling, use a string to cut the rolls. As you can see, it's perfectly cut. I'll keep it in a baking dish for proofing. And now it's ready for second proofing. I'll keep this in a warm place for 45 minutes. Now brush the proofed cinnamon rolls with remaining egg mixture. Now I'll keep it for baking in the middle rack in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remove this baked buns and keep them for cooling for at least 30 minutes. And there we have our bakery dream cinnamon buns. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Happy baking!